Okay, navigation in buildbox 3 is very easy. For doing that, we're going to the template and open this template. You can, it's always download this. You have to wait until the download this template. I think I downloaded it once, and why is not opening? Okay, waiting for downloading. Okay, and this is a default game. You can play it with this button here. Just play, and with this you can explore in the scene. Okay, for example, for opening the door, you need that key, and door is open, and finish. For navigation, the first thing that you use with scrolling your mouse, you can zoom in or zoom out like a game. Be careful about the WSDA. If you select an object S or D or A, it's copying that, okay? If you want to move from the angle of the camera, right click. With left click, you select something. If you want to move like a games, real games in a PC, holding your right click and then hit W to moving forward, S backward, A to the left, D to the right. And you can move freely on any part of the scene. Nice. With E, you can go upward, Q, you can go down. And if you want to rotate just scene, you can hold in the space and right click. To pan, just middle mouse button, holding your middle mouse button and drag and drop. For keys, for if you want to turn it to the perspective or parallel, you can go select the camera. You can choose the projection, perspective, or orthographical. With the shortcut is 5. Yeah, 5. It's completely isometric, parallel, or perspective. Another shortcut is 7. You can change the view to the up. 9, 7, 4, 6. You can change the view to front, back, any part that you want. But if you want to back to a scene, you can select it and hit F to focus in the scene. Let me explain it more. Okay, 5 to perspective. And here you can come back on your scene with holding right click and WSD. If you want to make game completely 2D, you can turn up the 2D. Now it's completely 2D game. Play. But you have some changes in. Now you can see the game is completely 2D, but you have to change your character movement. Be careful order. Just this button just does not change your game completely 3D, because your game have to be something like runner. And you can see our game is in this part at the start and the end. You can make the end something like there. The game will be happen on this part, and then you can navigate and move easily. And if you select something, you can move them. That will be explained in the next lesson.